What's good, gang? I'm out here. I should have started earlier, man. Should have put y'all on game. But yeah, I'm out here tuning up my ride. Had to retune it, man. Had to retune it. All them spark plugs, man. Them things are dirty. Shit's dirty. Yeah, tuning up the ride though. And I'm gonna let y'all know how it is whenever I get it back jumping. Stay tuned. I'm installing the new ones. Got that bitch on now. But yeah, you always want to be careful when you're installing these, man. For real. Like for real. Install that thing nice and gentle. See our hand tightening. Hand tightening first. Hand tightening first. Just let it get it tightened by hand. I'm gonna use that tool. And I'm gonna get it to a certain weight. Not a certain weight, just like a certain push limit, basically. Tighten limit. You don't want to over tighten them. Fuck it up. But yeah, I'm gonna tighten that up with this one right here. But I ain't gonna over tighten it, but yeah. I use my extension. I had to go to the store and get an extension too. But yeah, stay tuned.